All right, ladies and gentlemen, just wanted to go through the agenda. Please note that this agenda is a little bit different this week, and that's because we're in a review and test week. So the agenda that we're looking at right now is going to be through today, Monday, November 2nd, includes includes Tuesday, November 3rd, Wednesday, November 4th, and Thursday, November 5th, which will be all days that we'll be reviewing. And then on Friday, that will be our test day. So you will have to come back on Friday when the test module is released. Okay. Right now, you are watching the Watch This First that goes through the agenda and the objectives. Remember that our objectives for this chapter are we are determining if a relation is a function, looking for those repeats in the x value, the input, the domain. We're also using the vertical line test. We are evaluating functions using function notation, and we are making sure that we can state and determine the domain and the range. And so those are going to be the three things that we will review. I've created from Math Excel a review of problems that I'm getting the most questions from. So what I did was make a practice worksheet. This is not found in your note-taking guide because I'm making it in response to the types of questions that I'm getting from Math Excel. So it's the most frequently asked questions. So I thought, why not make a paper and a video to address it? So you might want to print this out first and either work along with me or maybe try those things on your own. And then there are 3 different videos. This first one here talks about determining if it is a function. This second one talks about determining the domain and range of functions. And this third one talks about our function notation and evaluating functions. So that is our video and notes for these 4 review days. Let's go on and let's look at the next part of your module, which is assignments. And you can see that I have the assignments broken down so that if we were to go to assignments and then we click on this right here, all of our assignments are going to be due Friday, November 6th by midnight, same day as the test. And if we look over here, this is what would pop up when you click on this particular link here. And so it gives us everything that we have done in Math Excel or should have done in Math Excel. Notice that these red ones right here are homework problems. So those go into your Math Excel homework average for your grade. Notice that the purple ones right here are quizzes, and so those go into your Math Excel quiz average grade. And then this last one right here is our test review homework, and that is a standalone grade. That is the test. I make the test and the review at the same time. So if you're practicing those are the exact same types of questions, okay? Some of these you've already done already. Some of these are new assignments today. But these are the total things that you should have done by Friday midnight. Okay? That's our date, or that's our time that we're going to shut those off for grades. Okay, now when can you get help? Well, this week we've got a ton of different Zoom sessions. And so if we take a look at what we have here, you can see that this week we are having a Zoom session, 2 Zoom sessions every day. We have on, this is today, Monday. So on Monday, we have a session at 10 and a session at noon. And then this one here, this is Tuesday. We have 10 and noon. These 2 here, we have Wednesday, 10 and noon. And then these 2 here, we have Thursday. And so remember, these Zoom sessions are, yes, indeed, they are optional. But at this point, if you are not scoring what you want to score on the test, on your quizzes, and on your homeworks in Math Excel, you need to be coming to these sessions. You need to be bringing the problems that you're missing on Math Excel, or the problems that you're maybe getting right, but you have to ask a couple of different hints. You have to ask for a similar problem. If you're having to do that repeatedly, those are problems you don't understand and you need to come ask about. Okay, these are in a question and answer format, meaning that I don't develop problems for us to go over. We've already done that in the videos and the assignments. These are you come and ask questions. So please, when you come to these meetings, come prepared. You can either unmute yourself and ask a question. You can type it in the chat and ask the question that way. If you have something that is a graph with a domain and range, you might want to have it pulled up on Math Excel, because I may ask you to share your screen so we can get a visual of the question you're asking about to make sure that we are answering the correct question. Okay? All right, please Canvas message me if you have any questions. This was the agenda for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week, and I hope to see you at some Zoom sessions.